Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Today our topic is vacuoles and its type and function. Okay, now start the lecture. First discuss about the cell vacuole. Cell vacuole, it is a membrane bound sac-like structure within the cytoplasm of a cell. In case of mature plant cell, the number of vacuoles is single and it is placed in the centrally and cover near about the 80% of the cell cytoplasm. Okay. Vacuoles in case of the animal cell size is much smaller and are commonly used to temporarily store minerals. So, in case of the plant cell, number of vacuoles is 1 and it's centrally placed and size is large. But in case of animal cell, the number of vacuoles more than 1 and size is small. Okay. Now, here we can see that it is a typical plant cell. Okay. That one is the cell vacuole and it placed in the cytoplasm and cover near about 80% of the cytoplasm. Okay, and outer covering of the vacuole is called tonoplast. Clear? Okay, and another thing, the blue color, that one is the nucleus and it placed toward the periphery or corner. Now, the central vacuole in plant cell is enclosed by a membrane, that term is tonoplast. This large vacuole slowly develop as the cell matures by fusion of smaller vacuole derived from the ear and Golgi apparatus. Okay. Vacuoles are absent in two cells mainly. One is the bacterial cell, another one is the mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is the smallest cell in the world. And the another name is PPLO, that means pleuropneumonia like organism. Okay. So, this large vacuole slowly develop as mature cell. In case of the plant cell, the growing tip of the root and shoot, the present meristematic cell. So, in case of meristematic cell, the size of vacuole is small. Okay. When plant cell mature, the size of vacuole start growing. Okay. Now discuss about the function of vacuole. Vacuole in plant cell filled with cell sap, that is called sap vacuole. Okay. It contains salt, minerals, nutrients, protein and pigment, help in plant growth and play an important structural role for plants. Okay. Central vacuole also contain plant waste that taste bitter to insect and animal, while developing other cases seed cell used vacuole as a repository for protein storage. Okay. So, in case of the plant waste, that term is sometimes called secondary metabolites. Okay. So, its taste is bitter due to presence of alkaline substance or it alkaline in nature, and it also deter herbivore from the plant. Okay. Now, another function, the structural importance of the plant vacuole is related to its ability to control turgor pressure. Turgor pressure dictates the rigidity of the cell and is associated with the difference between the osmotic pressure inside and outside of the cell. Vacuole also often store pigment that given certain flower their color, which aid them in the attraction of the bees and other pollinator. So, vacuole contain pigment like anthocyanin. Okay. The anthocyanin pigment provide color for the petal and those are attract pollinator for the pollination, but also can release substance that poisonous, odoriferous or unpalatable to various insect and animal, and thus discouraging them for consuming the plant. Like example, calotropis. Okay. That also produce secondary metabolite or milky substance for the herbivore to deter from the plant. Now discuss about the types of vacuole. Three types mainly: food vacuole, gas vacuole and contractile vacuole. Food vacuole for the purpose of food consume. Example, here we can see that the amoeboid cell or in case of the animal cell mainly. Okay, it consumes a food particle through the food vacuoles, that is called phagosome. Okay, phagosome. In case of the gas vacuole, it is found mainly aquatic plant for the purpose of flotation. Another one is the contractile vacuole found in the amoeba cell, mainly for the purpose of osmoregulation. Okay. Now first discuss about the food vacuole. Food vacuole, when it stored the solid food and it produced that phagosome. Here we can see that the structure of phagosome. The process is called phagocytosis. Okay, phagocytosis. When the animal consume liquid food, here we can see that liquid food consume, that is the liquid substance. Okay, that the structure is called pinosome and process is called pinocytosis. Pinocytosis. Okay. Now here we can see that the phagocytosis of WBC. First, the WBC nucleus alert the signal and it start to produce pseudopodia and it start to capture these bacteria. Okay, and it cover the bacteria in a phagosome, or it called food vacuole, and it start digestion, and that particle is called post digestion or degrading particle. Clear? In this way, bacteria consumed by the WBC in our body, or WBC function as a defense mechanism in our body. Okay. Now discuss about the gas vacuole found in some aquatic plant, like example water hyacinth, carry its air pockets for capturing air, okay, for the flotation purpose. Another vacuole is called contractile vacuole. Okay, presence in freshwater protozoa, example amoeba and paramecium. It has two phases, one is the systolic phase, another one is called diastolic phase. In case of systolic phase, that one is called contraction, and diastolic phase is called relax. Help in osmoregulation and excretion. It functions like a kidney in vertebrate body. That one picture is the paramecium. Paramecium possesses two contractile vacuole. That one is the main vacuole and outer one is called side vacuole, and side vacuole deposit material in the main vacuole, and from this it expels from the body. Okay. Sometimes the vacuole also function as a or help to in a cell elongation in plant cell. Okay. Look at here, that one is a root cell, that portion is called root tip. Here presents some meristematic cell, and then that portion is called zone of elongation. In meristematic cell, the size of vacuole is the small, and when cells start to growing and vacuoles start to growing. Okay, so upper portion, zone of elongations, the size of vacuole, cell size of the vacuole is the large. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe Science Express.